In this video, I'll show you how to convert speech to text with ElevenLabs in 2026. If you have a voice recording, interview, podcast, video, or other audio file and want to turn the spoken words into written text, ElevenLabs can help you transcribe the content quickly. First, open the official ElevenLabs website and sign in to your account. After logging in, go to the available speech, transcription, or audio tools in your workspace. Next, look for the speech-to-text or transcription feature available in your ElevenLabs account. The exact name and location may change as ElevenLabs updates its interface and features. Now, upload the audio or video file you want to transcribe. Make sure the recording is clear and that the speaker's voice can be heard properly. Clear audio can help produce a more accurate transcript. After uploading your file, choose the appropriate transcription settings if they are available. Depending on the tool, you may be able to select the language or other options before starting the transcription. Now start the transcription process. ElevenLabs will analyze the spoken audio and convert the speech into written text. The processing time can depend on the length and size of your file. Once the transcription is complete, review the generated text carefully. Check names, numbers, technical terms, and any words that may have been difficult to understand in the original recording. If everything looks good, use the available export or copy option to save your transcript. You can then use the text for subtitles, YouTube scripts, articles, notes, podcast transcripts, or other projects. And that's how you can convert speech to text with ElevenLabs in 2026.